traders? This is Day Trader Matt with abusinesswithtrading.com doing a Sunday market analysis for the 20th of April, Easter Sunday. Hopefully everybody's having a great day so far, awesome weekend. And basically what we're looking at, the markets closed very, very interestingly last week. It was a pretty nice move. And right now we're looking for a couple different scenarios. Main scenario is a sell, at least, a couple 20 points. Right now it's really the question of what's going to happen Sunday. It's either going to gap down in a big way, or it's going to move higher. I do think that there's potential that there is one more move higher. Watching 1855, 1853, break of 53. It would be a little concerning on the side of a long. Below 53, I think that this thing can sell below 47s, and I do think the market's going to go down. At least initial support would be 1837 to 1826 would be initial support, but I do not really have a lot of faith in that holding. That's initial support. I think, at this current moment, what I'm looking at is the market probably to buy up one more time. If it gets above 1880, maybe something else is playing out, but I still think that the market will sell down. Even if it does get up this high, it will sell back, but maybe it's doing something a little bit different than what I'm actually presenting right now. But anyway, I am looking at 1867, 1873 as a very good resistance level if it does buy up one more time. And looking for it to sell, like I said, this is initial support, but I don't really have a lot of faith in it holding, and I'm looking ultimately for a move below the 1800 area. So that's really what I'm looking at right now. If it is to buy up, I think it'll sell off. If it buys up a little more, I still think it's going to sell off. But, this is going to be initial support. So if it does buy up over this, maybe look for it to have support a little higher, maybe 42s perhaps. But, I still do think it's going to sell off. So do I think it's going to be lower than where it is at this moment? Yes, I do. This week I do expect it to come a little bit lower than it is at this moment. And really it's just a question of how it does it, and how it actually plays out. But right now, as I look at things, I don't really have a lot of faith in this. If it is to support here, we do want to watch 1850 and 1849, and that would be resistance, followed by 1856. And if it was to hit here and then get strong, then it really could have a nice move. So anyway, that's the if it is supportive here, that is a possibility. My main scenario is it breaking here and going below 1800. So we'll see how it plays out this week. It should be very, very interesting and fun to watch. I'm definitely excited to see what is going to play out, just because last week's action was so interesting. This week has to be fun. So that I'm just waiting to see how this week's going to start and play out and go from there. I always update every day for the trading room members, so it definitely should be a lot of fun. So anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. You can always leave comments below the video. You can also email me directly. A lot of people like to do that. support@abusinesswithtrading.com. There's no such thing as a dumb question. If you have a question, ask. I don't know everything, and at one time I knew a whole lot less than I know now. So I understand the questions. All questions are good. All feedback is good. I definitely encourage that. So with that, thanks for watching. Enjoy your weeks, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.